Ginebra San Miguel Calendar Girl, Sue Ramirez! Oh my
Aktres na si Sue Ramirez opisyal nang ipinakilala bilang 2026 Calendar Girl ng kilalang brand ng alak na Ginebra San Miguel. Nitong Miyerkules ng gabi November 26 ay idinaos ang grand launch ng Ginebra San Miguel sa Manila Diamond Hotel kung saan ay official na ding ipinakilala si Sue Ramirez bilang pinakabagong Calendar Girl para sa darating na taon. Isa nga umanong dream come true para kay Sue ang maging Calendar Girl ng naturang liquor brand dahil matagal niya na umano itong ipinagdadasal kaya naman nag-uumapaw ang saya ng kanyang puso nang sa wakas ay nakuha niya ito ngayong taon. Samantala, agad namang nag-trending at viral online ang naging opisyal na pagpapakilala bilang Calendar Girl kay Sue Ramirez kung saan ay marami ang talagang nagulat sa pasabog na kaseksihan nito. Ani pa ng ilan ay hindi nagkamali ang Ginebra San Miguel sa pagkuha sa kanya dahil talagang hindi maipagkakaila na napaka-sexy ni Sue at bagay na bagay sa kanya ang model ng naturang liquor brand ngayong darating na 2026. Narito naman ating panuurin ang mga bidyong na ibahagi.
Take a seat. Bawas na tayo dito ha. Para looking Primera klase pa rin. Celebrate muna tayo with Primera Light Brandy. Cheers!
Now, the woman, the Filipino woman, has been a reflection of our time-honored tradition. Okay? And for decades, the Ginebra San Miguel Calendar Girl has been more than just an admired symbol. In fact, as I said, no, time-honored reflection of our Filipino values.
Your 2026 Ginebra San Miguel Calendar Girl, Sue Ramirez!
6 Calendar Girl!
Matagal ko nang kinukulit sila Boss Alan, sila Boss Ron, si Boss Nolly, si Boss Nai, nandito silang lahat at alam na alam po nila, talagang pinagdasal ko po na maging Calendar Girl ako ng Ginebra. And finally, it's here! Guys, thank you so much for being here to celebrate with me. Maraming salamat po!
Well deserved. You have to have a favorite. Alin ba dun yung paborito mo?
Well, probably because I'm a beach babe. And I always, totoo po, umiinom po ako ng gin sa tabi ng dagat. So, it's probably the beach layouts that I like the most.
Super fun.
Being called the Siren feels like a badge of honor to me. Na parang, yes, this is me, this is Sue, strong, feminine, and unapologetically me.
Fearless, sabi mo nga, alright?
And parang sinabi ko na, wow girl, I made it! I made it!
Never say die!
Never say die!
Never say die!
Tama, i-manifest mo at mapupunta talaga sa'yo. And of course, tinitingnan ko rin po tong chance na to as a big, big blessing to me. You know, after years of having very beautiful calendar girls in the past. Ngayon, it's my time to shine and diba? I'm so privileged and honored and very, very proud naman as always to be a part of this family.
Well,
the Ginebra Calendar Girl is a symbol of strength, confidence, and authenticity. She represents the heartbeat of our brand, rooted in Filipino culture, yet always moving forward with boldness and grace. To our new queen, Sue, welcome to the Ginebra San Miguel family. May you carry the legacy with pride and leave your own unforgettable mark in this continuing story. And to everyone here, our valued partners, media friends, and loyal supporters, thank you for being part of this celebration.
Once again, cheers to the 2026 Ginebra San Miguel Calendar Girl, Sue Ramirez.
Plays in her way. And when she enters the room, all eyes follow, composed, magnetic, unforgettable.